Alright, bike check. Dirty, dirty, dirty. I'm just gonna sit right down, point the camera because I have no clue where it's going. First off, let's see. Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Got, I don't know what rims, they're laced to a Primo mix hub. Same in the front, same thing. Got Odyssey Fit Aiken tires, 2.25, front and back, big. Probably gonna get some Fit FAS 2.25s, red ball on both of them. For the handlebars, I got Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars, pink ODI long neck grips with Aaron Ross keyboard, just the bar ends that goes with that. One of my friends just got the thing, so the grips. So he gave me the bar ends because he has Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. Frame is a Fit. I have no clue what Fit. I bought it off some kid. I think it ripped me off though, but I got an FBM chain wheel. Stock off the V2, Marauder V2. Same with the yeah, I can't talk right now. The stem. Fit forks. Odyssey JCPC pedals, I think. Safety orange. Fit cranks. Seat and seat posts off the FBM Guillotine. Yeah, sucks dick. Don't ever buy that bike. That's it. I'll try to do something. I suck right now. I haven't rode in like 3 months. In the end of the summer, my hub went out, or blew out, some shit happened. But, let me give you a hub sound, I guess. One sec, hang on. Primo X hub. Let me see if I can do a little whip for it. There you go. Comment, rate, subscribe. Comment, rate, subscribe. Think I should cut my hair or get dreadlocks. I don't know. Peace.